It is hot. So I had this intro like in my head. So I'm gonna see if I can like put it to justice. Put it to justice. Okay, I'm just gonna see if I can like put it in justice. I don't know how that works. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a video. Obviously, today's my mom's birthday. Yeah, she's turning like sweet 16 or something. So I was just out and I was thinking maybe I should make her something, you know? So I was like, well, what does she like? She does like ice cream cake. And so I thought maybe I should order it online to save myself the trouble because I always thought that making ice cream cake was like hard to make. But it turns out that I need to order it 2 days prior before I want it. And the late planner that I am didn't realize that. And so I was like, well, I'm gonna make an ice cream cake. And so I Googled, I Pinterested and asked around. Yeah, so today we're in Kroger. We're in Kroger and I'm going to get some ice cream. Without further ado, here's the making ice cream cake. I literally can't talk. Alright, let's go. Okay, y'all bear with me. Whew, it is hot as Hades in here. I wasn't able to film when I went to Kroger because I'm one man job. Y'all, apparently that day I couldn't talk, but what I meant to say was I couldn't film while shopping because I only have one hand right now, and so also I'm using my phone, so bear with me with the quality and stuff. But I was able to get stuff. I got some oranges, avocado, a tin of ice cream. I got syrup. I was trying to get like heavy whipping cream, but I didn't see it, so we're just gonna make use with the whipped cream that I got. And so yeah, now it's time to go home. I'm like sweating, so I'll see you guys at home. Peace. Back home. I have about an hour and like 20 minutes kind of to get this done because I am going to a Bible study right after this. I look kind of tired, but it's fine. Let's get to it, shall we? So I didn't exactly follow the recipe, but I'll include it in the description box. Take a couple of Oreos and crush them just like I'm doing right now. I didn't do a great job, but it's okay. So you take your unsalted butter. I had salted butter, but it still worked out well. You mix it and you spread it into your baking thing or whatever you're going to use. Like I said, I didn't do a great job at crushing, so I was trying to fix it. You add your ice cream on top of your foundation of Oreos, just like that. That looks yummy. You make sure you spread it like really well. So what you're looking at right now is the finished product. I will include what I did on the screen so y'all can see it, but it looks yummy, and as you can see me, I am eating the ice cream cake because it's very yummy. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.